Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, just go ahead and click that subscription button. And so today I'll be planting up some Amazing Daisy banana cream by Puma Winners. These I found on clearance. Now they are beautiful. They're like cream with yellow insides. They are amazing. I'm gonna put them in this section right here in a small little drift because right here is a little bit empty and I'm trying to fill in some empty spaces in my garden bed. Now they grow about 15 to 18 inches in height and about 24 inches in width. They are a perennial, they like full sun, and they attract butterflies. Now I already have a lot of butterflies in my garden, but the more the merrier. You can never go wrong with a whole bunch of pollinators just in your garden, in your yard. They look so beautiful. Now I know they might look, you know, half dead. They might look a little bit scary to some, but trust me, once I get them in the ground, give them some fertilizer, some consistent water, they will thrive. They will just explode. They will just go to work. I need to get these plants in the ground immediately. They are severely root bounded. Like they are growing out their pots. So when I water them, the water just run down the sides and come straight out the pots. Like, and within 30 minutes or like the next day, it seemed like they haven't gotten water in days, which they have. So I just need to get them out the pots immediately and get them in the ground. So right here is where I'm going to be planting these plants. In each hole I'll be using my Biotone starter fertilizer like I always do. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I know they don't look like much and I know they look like they are struggling, which they are struggling just a little bit, but just give them a couple days, up to a week, because this location right here gets full sun. So give them a couple days, up to a week with consistent watering, and they are already fertilized, and watch, you'll be so surprised that they're gonna bounce right back like nothing never happens. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always liking, commenting, and interacting with me in the comment section below on my videos. If you are not a subscriber, just go ahead and click that subscription button. So once again, thank you guys for always watching, always supporting. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.